Our goal is to provide the best on-the-water experience possible. Part of that is the comfort and confidence that when you go out on the water, you're going to have a trouble-free experience. The golf course Eagle are probably the true testament to what is possible with the Volvo Penta product. The boats themselves, they are wood construction. They are out in the sun all summer long. So we do cosmetic work on them with the finishes. We will refinish them, add varnish to them every year. Volvo Penta is proven. We have so many customers that are using the Volvo product. They're reliable, they're strong, they're durable, they work, and that's huge. Because that gives not only us, but it gives our clients the confidence that they're going to have a trouble-free experience.